Okay, for this pairing, I wanted to do a red wine and a red meat. So I chose Spiral Cellars-Cabernet Sauvignon, Napa Valley 2017, paired with blue cheese bacon burgers with a side of potato wedges. I read about this idea in Match Red Wine with Food and a wine and burger pairing guide, which we will link in the description below. It's common knowledge that beef and dark reds go together, so that's why I decided to do the cab with the burger. Cabernet also pairs well with like creamy blue cheeses, so that was fun. Fun idea for everyone. I'm not much of a red meat eater, so I tried to make thinner burger patties because I don't think I could handle the thick, juicy patty of a big old burger in my mouth. So we did thin burger patties with a little bit of blue cheese and some bacon on top. The blue cheese paired really well with the cab, and I would totally do that again because it was good, and the creaminess and the red, yum. We took the beef patty and spread blue cheese throughout it, and that combination tasted really good with the wine. We also added grilled onions, mushrooms, spinach with a little bit of lemon on top, and the acidity of the lemon you could taste paired well with the wine as well. It wasn't overpowering, but it was enough to where you could like, oh, this wine and this lemon taste good together. Also, the earthiness of the mushrooms really matched with the wine. The potato wedges I made weren't very good with the wine. I cooked them with a thick fig balsamic, and that just didn't pair well with the wine at all. I think the patties could have used a little more blue cheese, but since I made the patties thin, I couldn't really add a tremendous amount of blue cheese, so they probably should have been thicker. Also, the bacon did not pair well with the cab at all. Something I want to try next, during my research, I didn't find much vegetarian dishes with Cabernet, so I want to experiment with a vegetarian dish and a deep red Cabernet and make something delicious for all to enjoy.